Do you think generating support is a waste of time? If you think so, you haven't met Uniware software yet. Now you will watch how we make a ring ready for printing in 1 minute. Let's get started. Checking critical areas indicating areas requiring support generating. The software helps you generate support by showing the areas that definitely need support in red and the areas with lower risk levels in yellow color. Copying the support elements to another axis of the model with the same geometry becomes easier with the mirror command. You don't need to create new support elements for each axis, just click it. Uniware makes it easy for you and saves you time. It is almost done! Full platform ring ready for printing. Developed by Uniway,